Welcome to This Walking Life. Today we're in Melbourne, Australia. And today we're starting from the home of the mighty Richmond Football Club. Let's go. Welcome to This Walking Life. Today we're in Melbourne, Australia, and today, as a special treat, we have a pre-tournament Australian Open edition of This Walking Life. We'll be walking from accommodation at Arrow and Spencer Apartments to the home of the Australian Open, Melbourne Park. We'll be catching the 86 tram. We'll be getting the tram from Latrobe Street to Flinders Street, getting off at Flinders Street Station, changing at Flinders Street Station to the number 70 tram, which drops us off right at the doorstep of the Australian Open. And don't forget, if you're an international tourist or a tennis fan from any part of the world, don't forget that you can catch a free tram from the centre of Melbourne to the doorstep of the Australian Open at Melbourne Park. And if you can't get here in 2021, we'll be there for you so that you can enjoy the excitement, the tension, and the competition at the 2021 Australian Open. Let's go. It's Waterman. Welcome to Project Melbourne Metro Underground Rail, the site of the new Parkville station. If you come with me, we'll start right away. Waterman, yes, I'm transport consultant to the government. It's my job to act as a liaison between STM, Asia Pacific and the government of Victoria, and the Transport Minister in particular, to advise on timelines and make sure that everything to do with the contract has been awarded to this firm, that the timeline's being met. So it's my pleasure to welcome you today as a visitor and investor from interstate and overseas. We'll be taking a short tour of the site, so if you come with me, we'll start right now. That ends our tour for today. We hope you enjoyed this insight into the state government's preparations for how your investment money is being spent here at the site of the proposed new Parkville station as part of the Melbourne Metro Underground Rail project. My name's Waterman. If you have any questions, you can contact me by the Victorian State Government Department of Transport, STM Asia Pacific Construction.